Hello, and welcome to MikMay Academy. Thank you for watching our video. At MikMay Academy, learning is made easier. MikMay Academy is a channel that provides free online academic tutorials to undergraduate, postgraduate students, and professionals as well. You can find lessons for beginners at the intermediate levels and at the advanced levels as well. MikMay Academy is a component of a MikMay Research and Educational Consult. The two main areas of MikMay Research and Educational Consult is the provision of academic content and a research consultancy. With academic content, MikMay Academy provides video tutorials for coursework. You can find it for undergraduate and postgraduate students, as well as the professionals. At MikMay Academy, there are also video tutorials for statistical and analytical tools for high-end packages that are relevant for your studies and also for your research. A couple of video tutorials for the statistical packages and analytical tools, which you can find on our channel, include those for statistics, for economics, microeconomics, mathematics for economics, econometrics, and advanced economic theory, being the coursework tutorials. You can also find high-end packages, which include videos for SPSS at all beginner levels, intermediate levels, and also for professionals. You can also find that for Stata, that for eViews, R, LaTeX, GAMS, as well as Power BI. At the research consultancy, you could also contact the consultancy for a primary data collection, data entry, research proposal, thesis or dissertation. You need any help with your long essays, guidelines, we could also provide you with proofreading. Feel free to contact the research consultancy as well as the academy via these channels. Email, you can contact us at info@MikConsult. Email, that is MikMay Consult. You could also find us on our website, www.mikmayconsult.com, and our YouTube channel, as well as Orchid ID. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice stay with MikMay Academy. You can comment on any video. Kindly subscribe to receive any alerts that we provide on our channel. Any video that we upload, be the first to receive a notification on that. You could also click on the subscribe button, click on the doorbell to receive regular notification, and also don't forget to share the video to a friend, a group study, and anyone you need help that needs help. Thank you. At MikMay Academy, learning is made easier.